Welcome to Vet Mod Review.
Today, we'll be talking about different modifications that I might be considering in the future. Modifications that can improve the overall experience for customers. Different engine modifications that can help the engine last a little longer. It's a daily driver, so I'm actually putting everything that I installed to the test. This will not be a long-winded video. It's just ideas that I have that I was thinking about sharing with you guys. And tell me what you think. Should I install these lights? Should I install the running boards? Things that I don't know that you guys can help with. What works, what you guys enjoy, what y'all like. Do you guys like the bucket seat?
They get the lights down here.
More fancier bucket seat. Captain chairs is what they call them. At the end of every video, I try to show love to a local business. So go out there and support them. Vet My Review.
Drill now. We is in a black truck. Come on now. This is the best black truck ever. Real deal. Come get in. Vet My Review.
That's 5349 Riverdale Road. Don't forget, on Sundays, mac and cheese. Only off day is Monday. Let's get a private event, all right?
You need a black truck, it's got stars in the roof. Hit us up on Instagram. You can reach us at Exchange Auto Transport. Again, that's Exchange, XCHANGE, Auto, AUTO Transport.